Hello everyone, I am Divyansu and today I wanna explain you different way to add parenthesis portion of a leetcode portion number 241. In this portion, we have to do we are given a string of expression containing number from 0 to 99 as we see 0 to 99 and operate in this expression there is some operator like plus minus and multiply only this three type of operator will be there and what we have to do the question is that now we have to we have to do we have identify all possible solution which can be come out from this expression. So question is that how we will do it, that explain. So let's understand with a example. Here we can see this is an example. Wait a minute. This is example uh, 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 and we have to find all possible solution which can be which can come from this expression. So there is a one way of solving this expression is can be 2 minus 1 minus 1 and other solution can be 2 1 minus 1. So there is two possible way to solve this expression. So for the first expression we can get a value of 0. From second expression we can get a value of 2. We can value of 2. Now it is so sometimes in our mind it is a simple, it is a 3. So thousand term in our mind. So it is a three three integer in our expression. So have we can do manually. But what happen? What will happen if the expression have more digit? What happen when expression have more digits? What happen when expression have more operators? So what will we do? Let us plan. Uh, for example, we when we say the next problem, so next problem is 2 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 3 here is 2 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 3. Hmm. Here we can see our 13,002 multiply by 3. How to 2 multiply by 3 minus 4, 4 multiply by 3. So what we then do? We then do one thing. We have to iterate in this expression, and when we see any operator, we have to our expression in two substring, the left substring and the right substring. And when we once again see this, and then we once again iterate to our substrings, and when we see the operator, we have just split the substring in two more substring, and we have to do this until and unless we have reached where the where the string can't be more divided, more divided. So in this portion was I so in this So in this, first of all, we iterate from 2. We have to see that it is an integer, so we just increment our one value of pointer 1, and then we see the expression character is a operator. Then what we do, just we divide the string into sub 2 substring 2 and minus 3, 3 minus 4 multiplied by 5. And there is more, and 2 is, we can't divide more because 2 is only an integer. No, in this there is no operator, so it is 2. 2 is the our answer from this substring. Now we have to sum on this 3 minus 4 multiplied by 5. There is 2 operator more in the our substring, which mean it can be more divided, more divided into 2 parts. So we just we do our, if our character is integer, just pass on to the next, and when we see operator, just divide it into 2 substring. When we see the operator, here I see the operator, we divide it into substring. This is right, this is left part, and this is right. And what if, and in this we can more divide, in this we can more divide, but we can't in this more divide, but we can do as a like thing, because in this there is one operator, and if we divide, there's no more possible way to solve this. So from this we can have minus 17, and if we not dividing from minus operator, and we just pass on the next we see there is a multiply, then we have to divide our, now our left substring is minus 4 by minus minus 3, 3 minus 4, and the our right substring is minus multiply by 5. So from this we get two solution, minus 17 and minus 5, and in this we get 2. So we have divide, what we have divide from this. Now we have just multiply by this both solution, and we get minus 34 minus 10. And what if we we pass this integer, pass this operator, and divide from this? When we divide from this, so what happen, we separate two string, minus, here we something here, here we something, here we something, and as we see there is a 2 multiplied by 3, so here something says, here something face value, and 4 multiplied by 5, here value will be 20. 6 minus 20, the answer will be in this. And what if we divide substring from this? So if we divide from this, we have that two, from this we have we have that two more solution. 2 plus 2 plus 1, which mean in this, which mean in this expression with that 5 solution, with that 5 solutions, with that 5 solution, in this with that 5 solution. So question is that how we can implement this approach in our thought. For this, for that we will use recursion. What if I just tell, I just made a function in where I just do one thing. If I saw operator in the string, then just substring, do the substring, made that two different divide into substring, and in enclose the same button, and again after recursion we get the solution. So that jump to the solution. Jump to the solution. Uh, Yeah, this is our solution. And then first of all, we have to do one thing. We have to do one thing, and we have to declare array list because we have to convert our expression in the array form of array. No, sorry. That we have first of all we have to declare list of type of integer. Array list means we have to store our result in the array list. Then we simply iterate from the expression character by character, character by character. And if we operator plus minus multiply, just what we do, we divided our string into two first. It is our leftmost, it is our rightmost, lastmost. And using by this same operate this same function, following this same function and using the substring method, now it automatically divide until unless we approach to the end. And now once we do, we just iterate one more time, a to b to find the solution. If our string can't be divided, what we do is, now what if our string can't divided more in parts? So what we do, just we take a substring as 1, b substring as 2, integer a and b, and we just use operator if plus and add the value, if minus add minus the value, is multiply the value. And lastly, we that if we just use empty string, if our array list is empty, then integer is present, convert our list into integers, no present to expression. So what will it do? First, what will you do it? First of all, our we see our send the our equation is among the in solution, and we divide it, and this will be divided by more and pass on. And similarly, this, and we got the solution of all. Have a nice day. Thanks. Thank you. If you have more doubt, you can contact me.